Hello traders, welcome back. This is day 26 of my 1 minute pocket option trading challenge. I started this challenge with $100 and as of today the account stands at $2,581. In the session, I will be trading live using my 1 minute trading strategies and I will explain every setup, confirmation and mistake so you can understand the logic and apply it correctly. Let's go. This video is not financial advice. Everything shown here reflects my personal trading journey and is shared for educational purpose only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and trading decisions. Trading carries significant risk and results may vary depending on your experience, strategy, and risk management. These videos are simply me documenting what I do in the markets. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. Right now I'm analyzing Euro US dollar chart and I have trading opportunities here. Let me first draw the key level. So this is the resistance range and this is the support range. Now I will use this zone for a reversal trade, but I have one important condition. The 1 minute candle needs to close without breaking this zone and it needs to close near to this resistance or to the support after getting rejection. If the condition are met, then only I'll go for a trade. So let's wait for the price to either hit the resistance or the support. Once price reach this zone, I will look for confirmation and will place my trade. Now price hit the resistance zone and in this case, what I'm thinking, if this particular candle closes below this level, then I'll go for a reversal trade in the downward direction. Let's wait. Last 17 seconds are remaining. You can see that price is closing inside the zone. So it is a sign that price can reverse. Now I will open the 5-second chart. The 1 minute candle closes inside and we have confirmation also in the downward direction. You can see we have these candle as a reversal confirmation, and if you compare these 4 candles, they also are forming a reversal pattern. Now let's understand the strategy behind. So as I told you that I will only place the trade if price after getting the rejection, the 1 minute candle needs to close inside the zone without breaking it. You can see same thing happen. This 1 minute candle tried to break. This is the rejection. After the rejection, the candle closes below this resistance level, which means there is no breakout and chances of reversal are high. Chances of reversal are high. What we needed a confirmation from the sellers. Just focus here. These 2 candles are also a good reversal pattern. But if you compare these 4 candles, they together form a very strong candlestick confirmation that suggests that price will surely going to reverse, and that's the reason I placed this trade, because the price formed a reversal pattern. The closing of the 1 minute candle was also inside, and that's the reason I placed this trade. Now we have taken the first trade. Let's find other trading setup and I will wait for the price to reach this zone. If price reached this zone and did the same thing, I will again go for a reversal trade in the upside direction. So let's wait. If price goes down, hit this zone, I will look for exact same setup like I used here. And if I found everything in the favor, I will place a trade in the upside direction. So let's wait. I will wait for at least 10 minutes for the price to reach this zone. If price gave a breakout, then I will try to find other setup. If not, then I will look for reversal trades here. Let's wait now. On Euro US dollar chart, I was waiting for the price to hit this support level so that I can show you another example of a reversal trading strategy that I used on the very first trade of today's session here. But as you can see, that price is now going up straight and it is about to hit this major resistance zone. This opportunity is gone, and if I want to use this zone for a reversal, I will not make that much money, because even though the setup is really good, the payout percentage is too low. It's 64% only, and that's why I'm avoiding this particular trade setup. This is a clearly visible resistance zone and it can give us a good reversal trading opportunity. but the payout percentage is decreasing here. So I'm switching my chart now and we'll try to find different trading opportunity on any other chart. I'm analyzing Euro US dollar chart again because I have a good trading opportunity and the payout percentage is also really good. So let's first mark the zone. We have a major resistance, a selling zone, and I want to use it for a reversal trade. You can see that it's a clearly visible resistance zone which previously worked. So chances of price reversing after hitting this zone are really high. Second, if you focus on this move, the price is moving strongly in the upside direction without any retracement. So in such cases, a reversal is also required. So both the factors are suggesting that price should reverse in the downward direction. And that's why I'm opting for a reversal trade from this zone. Now let's wait for the price to hit this zone. Once price reach here, I will look for reversal confirmation and will place my trade. If not, if the price started going down, I will use this support level as the recent support for a reversal trade and will place my trade in the upside direction. So let's wait now. Either the price will hit this support level and I will take a reversal trade in the upside direction, or the price will hit the resistance zone and then I will go for a reversal trade in the downward direction. Now let's wait for the price to hit either the resistance or the support so that I can analyze the chart and can place my trade. Price hit the resistance range and now I will look for a good reversal pattern. Yes, that's the confirmation candle that came right after hitting the resistance zone. Now let's understand the reason behind this trade. So it's a simple trade setup. As you can see, I was waiting for the price to hit this resistance range because I was expecting that price will reverse. The reason? It's a major clearly visible selling zone. Secondly, as the price was moving strongly in the upside direction without any retracement, a reversal was required. I was waiting for the price to hit this zone exactly because previously also the price reverses very strongly from the same zone. So I was expecting a similar reaction. On 1 minute chart, as soon as the price hit the resistance zone, the price on 5-second chart gave a strong selling candle, which was a confirmation that price will reverse, and you can see that after that the price went down and we booked profit easily. Now it's a simple trade setup. I use the resistance range and I waited patiently for the price to hit the exact level. As soon as price hit the level, it instantly formed a rejection and it instantly formed a confirmation candle. It's an engulfing candle, which was a sign that yes, the sellers are strong here and they will reverse the price, and that's why I instantly placed the trade in the downward direction. Now some of you might be thinking that the confirmation candle is too big, but if you focus here, this particular candle also break the recently rejected level. So it was a good confirmation, and when confirmations come after, as soon as the price hit the level, like in this case, you can see that price, as soon as it hit the zone, this is a sweep, and then we have this very strong candle. So it was a sign that price will reverse, and same thing happened. The previous history also shows a similar behavior. Price after hitting the zone reverses very strongly here, reverses strongly here, and now it is reversing here strongly as well. So we have taken 2 trades and I will end this session here because I have other important work today. That is it for today. I hope you learned the concept behind this trade and will try to apply the same while trading. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow with a new trading opportunities, new explanation. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.